Hey there, so this is a tax deduction tracker. So if you're trying to keep track of all the tax deductions that you have for the year, this is a perfect spreadsheet to use. So this block right here at the top will show you your total annual tax deductions, and it will add up everything that's in this column for you. So we're going to scroll down and start fresh so we can just do an example of a tax deduction. All right, so we're going to double click and choose the date. And then we're going to put the thrift store name, the description, so limited clothing and miscellaneous items, and then I donated, say, $100 worth of stuff. So, and then it will totally add up any other numbers. So if we just put in, $1,000 of donations, it'll add up that number there. So you can print this out and take this with you and give it to your tax accountant. You can just go File, Print. Make sure that it says Scale Fit to Width. And then you could do Landscape or you could do Portrait. And just hit Next. And then just do the number of pages. I would just do page 1, and that'll have everything for you. You can just give that to your tax accountant. So that's how to print it. If you need anything else, feel free to reach out. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase the spreadsheet. Thanks, and have a great day.